How to delete Facebook activity log all at once. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys how to easily delete all of your activity log at once on your Facebook. But before you do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. So first thing first, you want to head over to your settings on your Facebook, and once you do that, you just have to scroll down until you see your activity, and all of your activity log will be right here. So just tap on it, and if you want to filter it by date, you can do that as well, and there are many other options right here. But what you ideally want to do is tap on activity history, and from here you will see all of your activities right here. Just tap on the activity that you want to delete and tap on delete. So doing this will only delete your specific activity, but if you want to delete everything at once, then what you will do is just go back to your settings and tap on Account Center. From here, head over to your information and permissions and tap on your activity off Meta Technologies. So from here, you have an option to clear previous activity. Tap on it and tap on clear. So from here, as you can see, here is a disclaimer on what will be deleted. You can read it if you want, and tap on clear previous activity. So once you do that, your previous activities will be cleared. So that is how you delete all of your activity log on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you next time.